Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to refer this channel to a network so that YouTube push us to high level of audience. It has been a long time I uploaded a content on forex market, forex synthetic market, simply because I don't just upload video anyhow. I have to sit down, I have to go on a research, I have to make some moves, look into the people's psychology, thinking and behavior as regard to the price movement, and I have to sit down and go beyond the normal teachings, go beyond the technical analysis from other traders, and bring new ideas that are going to be beneficial to those who are ready to go by it. So make sure you watch these videos at the very end. Make sure you share it to others. Make sure you're proactive. Like after you have watched this video, try to invest in yourself, enroll for our courses and mentorship, enroll for our VIP signal services. And we're actually working on copy trading soon on the reef market. So make sure you're also part of it once we launch it. But right now, let's go to the videos. So the topic is multi-time frame market dynamics problems. And you see a lot of people actually lose money steady on go. Like you have row losses, you lose in 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, you keep losing money. One of the reasons why you keep losing money in this market is because of what I can call multi-time frame dynamics problem. That is infinitely different type of directions, like different changes of directions in the market. The market keep changing direction, so the market can be buying in 1 minute time frame and selling in 5 minutes time frame, selling in 15 minutes time frame and buying in 30 minutes time frame, buying in 1 hour time frame and selling in 4 hours time frame. The market can be buying in monthly time frame and selling in weekly time frame. The market can be buying in one time frame and selling in another time frame, or buying in one time frame and still buying in another time frame, but not necessarily a consecutive time frame. So this time frame problem is very important for you to understand how to cope with it. And in this video, I'm going to address this issue, and we conclude. Once I'm done with the practical part, we conclude the video. But let me give you some illustration. Take for instance, this is 1 hour time frame, and so this is the price axis, and this is time axis. Remember, in the market we are dealing with prices over time. Okay, now maybe you notice some price movement where the market is doing some stuff like this. Okay, so this is a kind of uptrend, that is upward direction, and then you get to daily time frame. This is the price, and then you notice that the market is actually doing something like this in the daily time frame. Okay, so the market is selling in the daily time frame, and then you also go to 1 minute time frame, and you notice that the market is doing some kind of stuff like this. So the market is buying. So you see there are different directions at different time frame. So the only way to make it in the market is when different time frame shows the same direction. So you have to actually be careful with your entries. Don't just enter market because you are looking at one time frame. Study many time frame and see if they are saying the same thing. If they are not correlated, that signal is not going to hold. They have to correlate, okay? Yes, that is when you see resonance in the market. Resonance doesn't only happen in wave because market itself is a wave from different entities, buyers and sellers, okay? Um, let's go to particles. So right now, this is volatility 75 index. This is daily time frame. You see, if you observe this market carefully, you know in the daily it's making lower lows and lower highs. And then when you shake the 4 hour time frame, you notice that the market bought in this session. So because a lot of people are being pushed to do what they see in the higher time frame, you will start selling along this path. Once you do that, you're gonna lose money because there is no alignment. But if you have watched this video before now, what you do is that you wait for this action to start, this sell part. So there will be alignment between the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame. That is how the market should be. Okay. Now, if you go to 1 minute time frame, sometimes you see what here, you see what's happening here. The market is uptrend in this period. So what do? You wait until the market align with downtrend. Most time the 1 minute cannot show you the truth. You upgrade to some other time frame and you discover that you'll be seeing a lot of different stuff here. You see the market is buying. So you wait for it to align for the higher time frame. So yeah, it have to align with the higher time frame. So right here it starts selling. So there is alignment. But the problem here is there is a lot of complex trajectories that the market have to take for a direction to validate, for a direction to be real, for a direction to be true. And that's why you have to enroll for our courses, subscribe to our VIP signals, and also join our corporate trading, which we are going to launch sooner, so that you don't need to have much, you don't need to perform everything on your own when we are actually doing the good stuff for you. Yes, you can learn, you can develop yourself, but you really need a successor for you to actually go far, for you to stand on your own. If you look at birds, they follow their parents for some period of time before they become strong to fly higher. So that's how you should see us as your parents, and you work closely with us until you become stronger to be on your own. It take us a couple years. We have spent over, like, I don't want to mention, but let me just put you have over 20 years experience in this market. So you guys should uh, work harder with us, okay? Thank you and bye for now.